Hi there, my name's Aaron. I'm a senior here at the University of Wisconsin doing my senior practicum experience right here in Schmeekley Reserve. So what I've got here is actually the state fossil of Wisconsin, the trilobite. There's fossil evidence all around us, even here in Schmeekley Reserve. So come join me and let's go explore together. So these rocks here are actually made up of quartz arenite, a type of sedimentary rock that's made up of sandstone that's cemented together with silica. These rocks here were quarried about 20 minutes away near Mosinee at a site called Blackberry Hill. So let's explore some of these fossils you might find in some of these rocks here.
So as you walk around and explore some of these rocks here in Schmeekley, you might notice something like this. This is actually evidence of fossilized wave action because Wisconsin was once covered by an ancient ocean 500 million years ago when these rocks first formed. Now, there is evidence of life that we find within this ancient ocean right here in these rocks as well. And these are actually the first creatures to ever step on land. We know that they stepped on land because we also find evidence of raindrops alongside their footsteps. And as we know, raindrops can only occur on dry land. So, scientists think that long ago, ancient Wisconsin may have looked something like this.
So, I invite you to come out to Schmeekley Reserve and explore some of these rocks and find some of the fossils that they contain. You never know what you might discover.